like this, because that gives me the exact picture. Where is the nerve? How many millimeters of advancement is technically possible? Your teeth, roots, blah blah, everything I need to see.
Just to make it short, sir.
Yeah.
The whole purpose of doing this exercise is to bring the chin
Absolutely,
down.
that I understood.
To bring it down and forward as much as possible.
As much as possible, meaning then I will give you the better result with bone grafting.
Yeah. No, because otherwise there's no point doing it. If you just do it for the hair, just bring it down.
Still, it will be good.
It'll be good compared to what it was, right?
Yeah.
But
to maximize, we'll do bone grafting. That's what it is.
There's something called a phase 3 or something like that, doctor.
Yeah.
You know what is that phase 3 concept? So to make the phase 3 just perfect, how much do you think? How much?
Then we can do about 15, 16, 17 millimeters. This much. Can do a lot.
What
that will make you a very nice strong chin. But people will ask you,
no, I
what happened?
I don't care about that.
Then we'll give you a good chin.
Must. People say we're living for ourselves, not for the world.
Done. All right. So what we can do is we start with your scan. Take a scan for us, and then once we see the scan, I will precisely tell the planning with the millimeters. In between, you can go to our executive to tell you the costing, and then once you have both in mind, we will plan your blood test whenever you want to go for surgery. So if you want to come for surgery later on, then you don't need to do blood tests. But if you want to do surgery like in the next few days, then they will do the blood test also. But first, let us start with the exact planning. And once we do that, then we can take it further.
So once this, like you said, the extra bone or whatever, you put that and it's done, then that is a lifetime thing.
Everything is lifetime. You have to give it 4 to 6 weeks for it to heal. Once it heals, it's set for life.
And that is sufficient, right? 2 months.
Of course. So 2 months is like the worst case scenario. So 1 month is the average time for healing.
But I don't have to stay here for that period.
No, you have to stay here for like a week.
A week and then they head back.
That's it.
And what are the restrictions? I just can't run, that's it.
Yes, no gymming, walking is fine.
No, it's okay.
No swimming. Initially few days liquid diet for 2 days, semi-solid diet for another 3-4 days. After 10 days, you can have normal diet. Finished, colors.
Basically, you're basically saying there should be no running, aerobics.
That is the main
thing.
Allowed? Yes, of course.
You can walk.
Walking, you can walk the next day also.
So walking is not a restriction.
Not a problem.
A normal
cycling, running, swimming.
I got it. Basically, you're saying any of the exercises.
That's it.
Other than you can stick to walking for a month. 1 month, you said so, 2 months. 2 months.
6 weeks, 1.5
2 months. 2 months walking. And after that, everything.
Then once it heals, then you can do everything. Same activity that you're doing in your life today, you can do.
So there's one thing, just one question. When you said 14 mm, it can already be done. After taking just 3-4 mm more, you're saying?
इतना ही होता है. 14 mm is the highest without bone grafting. Average is about 12 millimeters. With the bone grafting, it can be another 5-6 millimeters more. So because if I bring it too much more than that, your lip will not close. Your soft tissue has to stretch, has to accommodate. Your nerve has to be resilient. There are many factors involved in this. Because the nerves come right there.
I thought because it's my understanding of an implant is what?
Implant is just a plate and a screw like this. In this case.
वो डाल के जितना चाहिए you can bring it down.
But skin तो drape करेगा, उसके ऊपर soft tissue drape करना चाहिए. And soft tissue तो एक ही दिन में आपको stretch नहीं होता. इसीलिए restrictions, limitations है. But bone grafting से आपको benefit है क्योंकि solid अच्छा bone आपको मिल जाएगा.
But ज़्यादा mm नहीं है ना फर्क.
इतना ही फर्क हो सकता है आपको, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा. But that 4-5 mm is a good फर्क. Yes, 5 mm is a big फर्क. Yes, and plus you'll have very strong bone with bone grafting.
Is it?
Yes. See, the option is still, if you want to
be ideal, sir.
If you want to have a very strong chin, you can go for bone grafting because I can do the maximum possible. If you are like, I don't want bone grafting, do the maximum for me, I'll do that as well. Both will make good improvements on you. It depends on how much of a strong chin you want to have.
Considering the profile, what you
Considering the profile, in your case, the more the better types.
The more the better.
15 भी अच्छा ही लगेगा आपको, बेकार नहीं लगने वाला.
14 और 15 में फर्क नहीं है सर. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बढ़ाइए.
नहीं, वो जितना होगा हो सकता है, but around that I'm telling. आप प्लान करो 15-16, in that range we will do with the graft.
तो 2 mm ही तो बढ़ा रहे हो 14 से 2 mm.
नहीं, कभी कभार क्या होता है 12 ही हो पाता है. 12 to 14 mm we can do without bone.
हाँ.
और बिकॉज आपको दोनों डायमेंशन करना है ना हॉरिजॉन्टल, तो इसीलिए
So
इतना ही होगा. You keep 12 mm without bone grafting and 16 or 17 mm with bone grafting. 5 mm ही एक्स्ट्रा हो पाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा.
So net will be 17 mm.
Yes.
Down.
Yeah.
And forward and down will be 17 mm.
Net.
That will make the
Huge
difference
difference.
of the world.
5 mm will make not the difference of the world. It will make a slight difference. 5 mm difference. That's why I do not suggest bone grafting for almost most of my patients. I tell them it's an extra surgery, so do the maximum possible without a bone graft. That's my logic. If there's a particular patient who's like, nahi problem, मेरे को जितना भी चाहिए कराओ and all of that, then this is an option. That's it. But as a routine, no. Like for a rhinoplasty, as a routine, when I need cartilage, I go for the rib. That's a routine. For a genioplasty, as a routine, I do not take bone grafting. Only in an exceptional case, when they want that much of a movement, or it's a syndromic case or some other issue, then we go for it.
No, but will that, what I'm trying to ask you is between 14 and 17, that 2-3 mm which
5 mm, you can see a difference, that's all. 5 mm is a game.
Will that make a impression? Or
Yes, 5 mm makes a difference, of course. 5 mm is a lot on the chin, on the face. Yeah, it makes a difference. Just 5 mm makes a difference.
Just 5 mm?
Yeah, it makes a difference. What we'll do is we'll take your scan, so then I'll get a better idea about your bony anatomy, and then we can plan more clearly.
We'll do that.
Yeah? So then, hey, we'll scan it.